In this story, we will see that how you can add message button to Instagram post in just few easy steps. So let's dive in. So there are two steps to add message button. For the first step, from your profile, if you click on these three lines on the right upper side, you will find here settings and privacy. You have to open it and scroll down. You will find here account type and tools. Open it and here you will get this switch to professional account. So you have to change your account type from personal to professional account. If you want this message button on Instagram post, click on that, continue, choose what best describes you and click done. You can choose creator or business. It's up to you and click on next. After changing your account from personal to professional account, you will find dashboard like this. Now from here, you have to click on this plus icon and choose image. Here it is. Click on next. Again next, and here it will show you some of options and you will get this option to add message button. If you click on that, it will show you choose where you will get messages. Here you will see your account and click on share and it will be post. After posting it, if you open this, you will find here this send message option. So that's how you can add message button to Instagram post in just few easy steps.